So Hannu, can you explain to me what exactly is Anarky Labs?
So Anarky Labs is a company software house who specialize in augmented reality visualization of world scale information. So we do outdoors augmented reality with the new generation of headsets such as the Microsoft HoloLens 2, Magic Leap 2, MetaQuest Pro, so on and so forth. And we have started with the drones. We help drone pilots by pushing the data that is currently confined into these really tiny screens on the drone controllers. And the pilots, they have to look away from the drone in the sky. We just thought, hey, what if we provide this data to the pilot where the drone is in the sky? And that's what we can do with augmented reality.
Exciting. Okay, so can we take a look at this video? Can you describe what is happening here?
Yes, so this video is actually from a development test run at Nummela airfield here in Helsinki area. So the drone is pinpointed there on the sky. On the right-hand side here, we can see video footage live from the drone. And hey, there's a car. Now, where is that car actually? Plum, it's over there.
Mm.
We get the latitude, longitude, distance, and direction to that location, both in our maps that you saw down there. So here we have the indicator in our maps.
Yep.
But the main thing is that it's there in the real world location, the big marker. Here we can see even where we are in relation to the other environment. But the big marker over there, other team members could just turn their head and, hey, it's over there. Now what's happening there in front of that building? Let's check that location. And again, we have a marker in real world location. We have a marker in our maps. Think about sharing this information in police operation with other team members. Think about just turning your head when you are searching for in rescue operation, when you are searching for people in the forest. Here we find a car. It's in the middle of nowhere, but the marker is there visible for all team members. So this is what we are now discussing with our like law enforcement clients and potential clients, the really huge capabilities that augmented reality can give to these critical operations. Here we also can see that we even have the video projected live from the drone into our maps. It showcases the capability, laser rangefinder capability for each and every drone in the world via augmented reality and the real world scale digital twin of the world. This capability used to be confined to over 30,000 euro drone, a real laser finder on top of the drone as a payload. Now, when we combine this with our product, we can give it to any drone in the world, even the 300 euro smallest drone.
Wow. Exciting is not the word, it's such an understatement. That is, yeah, you're making a huge change in the industry. Can you talk a little bit about flying a simulated drone in a real environment? That's a slightly different use case, is that right?
Yeah, exactly. That's what came up with the drone pilot training companies.
Yeah.
Some of our resellers, or many of our resellers who sell drones, and then they sell drone software such as ours, they usually also provide the training. So they described the situation really nicely. Because when you fly a drone or any remotely controlled device, you have to get the feeling and the practice into your into your reflexes, so that you understand that when a drone, for example, turns 180 degrees, your sideways controls are mirrored. So getting this through simulators on laptops, yeah, kind of like works. But when we give this capability outdoors with a simulated drone, we prevent crashes and we are not dependent on weather, and we are not dependent on heavy permissions that are required now by the almost global, very strict drone regulations. So really the trainers, they talk about real stick time with a simulated drone outdoors. That's what we can give them.